If you think back to the Bauhaus and the basic exercises to explore qualities like contrast and scale and form, but which students used all kinds of materials and elements, these are radically simplified versions of the same idea, only with the control of black and white only and the most limited set of geometric elements, like a field with white circles, where by moving the circles around, you create different forms, being able to read the positive form and the negative form. Sometimes the addition of elements, like this problem that starts out with 3 simple circles, but where different compositions are created by the addition of elements. These are projects where the student is meant to learn how to see, devoid of any of the more expressive problems that are contained in graphic design's communicative world. So there's no idea in these projects other than to be able to see composition and to learn how to create visual difference within, again, a very limited means of production. Like, for instance, this exercise where variation in a group of circles is created simply by changing the weight of the circles. Then the student is allowed at a certain point to become free and to compose with these simplified elements to create more and more dynamic compositions. But the idea of being able to create within an incredibly limited means has continued to fascinate graphic designers, even though this sort of design barely exists out in the world. The economy of means, though, is incredibly seductive.